Hello everyone, myself Khandre Supriya from Sudhakar Rao Naik Institute of Pharmacy Pusat, Department of Pharmaceutical Chemistry. In today's section, we are going to study about introduction of fats and oils. Fats and oils belongs to naturally occurring group of compounds called lipids. What are lipids? Lipids are organic substance or compounds which are insoluble in water and soluble in organic solvents. The solvents like ether, benzene, chloroform, acetone, etc. They actually related to fatty acids. This heterogeneous group of substance known as lipids. Natural fats and oils are the triester of glycerol with long chain carboxylic acid. These are known as triglyceride. Fats and oils are called triglyceride because they are ester composed of fatty acid units joined to glycerol. You know the structure of glycerol: CH2OH, CHOH, CH2OH. Glycerides are said to be simple or mixed according as all three acid radicals in combination with glycerol molecules are same or different. When the OH group of glycerol is esterified with same acid, the triester is known as simple glyceride, and when the OH group of glycerol is esterified with 2 or 3 different acids, the triester is known as mixed glyceride. The example of fatty acids: acetic acid, propionic acid, butyric acid. Name of fatty acids and number of carbon atoms present. In acetic acid, number of carbon atoms 2. In propionic acid, carbon 3, butyric acid, carbon 4, valeric acid, carbon 5, palmitic acid, carbon 16, stearic acid 18, oleic acid 18, linoleic acid 18, archidic acid, carbon 20, arachidonic acid 20, behenic acid, carbon 22, lignoceric acid 24, and cerotic acid. Total number of carbon atoms 26. Fatty acid structure have two ends. The structure of fatty acid, first example is palmitic acid. In palmitic acid, total number of carbon atoms 16. The numbering is given from carboxylic group. There are two ends. One is the carboxylic group and another is the methyl group. The carboxylic group is denoted by delta end and methyl group is denoted by omega end. In stearic acid, total number of carbon atoms 18. One end is the carboxylic group and it is denoted by delta end, and another is the methyl group is denoted by omega end. Next, moving towards classification of fatty acid. Classification of fatty acid based on total number of carbon atoms, hydrocarbon chain length, bonds present in fatty acid, nutritional requirement of fatty acid, chemical nature and structure of fatty acid, and geometric isomerism of unsaturated fatty acid. First is the fatty acid based on total number of carbon atoms. In that, even carbon atoms and odd number carbon atoms. In even number carbon atoms, the fatty acid from carbon 2 to carbon 20, and odd number carbon fatty acids are carbon 3 to 7. Most naturally occurring human body fatty acids are even carbon number fatty acid. Such example of even carbon number fatty acids are butyric acid, palmitic acid, stearic acid, oleic acid, linoleic acid, linolenic acid, archidic acid, and arachidonic acid. Odd carbon number fatty acids are less related to human body. Examples are propionic acid. Next classification is based on nature and number of bonds present. In that, saturated fatty acids and unsaturated fatty acid. Saturated fatty acid means it's having single bonds in hydrocarbon chain structure. In that, long chain saturated fatty acids stack well together to make solid form at room temperature. Unsaturated fatty acid having the double bond in its structure. Unsaturated fatty acid again divided into two types: monounsaturated fatty acid and polyunsaturated fatty acid. Monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fatty acid do not stack well together because they are bent. These fatty acids are liquid at room temperature. Saturated fatty acid. Saturated fatty acid having single bonds in hydrocarbon chain structure. Example of such acids: acetic acid, butyric acid, palmitic acid, stearic acid, and archidic acid. Unsaturated fatty acid having double bonds in its structure. There are two types: monounsaturated fatty acid and polyunsaturated fatty acid. In monounsaturated fatty acid, example is oleic acid. In that the total number of carbon atoms present 18. One end is the carboxylic end, other end is the methyl group. In that the double bond is present on 9th carbon. Second example is linoleic acid. The total number of carbon atoms present 18. One end is the carboxylic and other is the methyl. The double bond is present on 9th carbon and second double bond is present on 12th carbon. The carboxylic group is denoted by delta end and methyl group is denoted by omega end. Monounsaturated fatty acid having one double bond in fatty acid structure. Example of monounsaturated fatty acids are palmitoleic acid, oleic acid, erucic acid. First is the palmitoleic acid, C1819. Shorthand representation for in palmitoleic acid, total number of carbon atoms present 16, one double bond and double bond is present on 9th carbon. As per omega system of nomenclature, the double bond is present on 7th carbon from methyl group. Second example is oleic acid. The total number of carbon atoms present 18, one double bond and the double bond is present on 9th carbon. As per omega system of nomenclature, the double bond is present on 9th carbon from methyl group. Next is erucic acid. The total number of carbon atoms present 22, one double bond on 9th carbon and omega 9. Next is the polyunsaturated fatty acid. Unsaturated fatty acid having two or more double bonds in structure termed as polyunsaturated fatty acids. The examples are linoleic acid. Total number of carbon atoms 18, two double bonds. First is on 9th carbon and second on 12th carbon, omega 6. Linolenic acid. Total number of carbon atoms present 18. Presence of 3 double bond. First double bond is on 9th carbon, second on 12th carbon and third on 15th carbon and omega 3. Arachidonic acid. In that total number of carbon atoms present 20. Presence of 4 double bond. First double bond is present on 5th carbon, second on 8th carbon, next 11, 14 and omega 6. In timnodonic acid, total number of carbon atoms present 20. Presence of 5 double bond and first double bond is on 5th carbon, next on 8, 11, 14, 17 and omega 3. Next example of polyunsaturated fatty acids are cervonic acid. It is also known as docosahexaenoic acid, short form DHA. The total number of carbon atoms 22. Presence of double bond 6. First double bond is present on 4th carbon, next on 7, 10, 13, 16 and 19 and omega 3. Remember that unsaturated fatty acids double bonds are weaker, unstable bonds. More the degree of unsaturation in fatty acid, more is the instability of fatty acid. Saturated fatty acid structures are straight and tightly packed together. Unsaturated fatty acid structure are bent, not compact and has no tight packing. More the degree of unsaturation in fatty acid, more double bonds present in fatty acid structure. Means the structure are more bent. Certain examples of saturated and unsaturated fatty acids: archidic acid, stearic acid, palmitic acid. These are the example of saturated fatty acids. And erucic acid, oleic acid, linoleic acid, linolenic acid, arachidonic acid. These are example of unsaturated fatty acid. Next one is the example stearic acid. In stearic acid, total number of carbon atoms present 18 and 0 double bond. One end is the carboxylic end and another end is the methyl group. Another example is oleic acid. In oleic acid, total number of carbon atoms present 18 and presence of 1 double bond. The numbering is given from carboxylic end and the double bond is present on 9th carbon in oleic acid. Next example is linoleic acid. In that, total number of carbon atoms present 18 and 2 double bonds. First double bond is on 9th carbon and second double bond is present on 12th carbon. Next example is linolenic acid. In that, total number of carbon atoms present 18 and 3 double bonds. First double bond is on 9th carbon, second on 12 and third on 15th carbon. Next classification is based on nutritional requirement. There are two types in that. First is essential fatty acid and nutritionally non-essential fatty acid. What is the meaning of essential fatty acid? Essential fatty acids which cannot biosynthesize in human body, so this is supplied in diet. Two essential fatty acids are linoleic acid and linolenic acids. You know the structure of linoleic acid and linolenic acid. In linoleic acid, the total number of carbon atoms present 18 and presence of 2 double bonds, and linolenic acid 3 double bonds are present. The structure of linoleic acid, C18 carbon unsaturated fatty acids having 2 double bonds. First is on 9th carbon and second is on 12th position. It is also known as 9,12 octadeca dienoic acid. Octadeca indicates total number of carbon atoms 18 and di indicates 2 double bonds. That's why 9,12 octadeca dienoic acid. And one of the important things here, the double bonds are not conjugated. Means in organic chemistry first you are already studied conjugated dienes. Conjugated dienes means the two double bonds are separated by one single bond. Here the double bonds are not conjugated, means the double bonds are separated by more than two single bonds. One double bond is on 9th position and another double bond is on 12th position. And another important thing here, the double bond is present when 9th carbon. You can observe the second double bond on 12th position, which can make the molecules such that cannot be biosynthesized. That's why it is essential in diet. Now let's see the biosynthesis of unsaturated fatty acid. So stearic acid is one of the C18 saturated fatty acid. It is converted into oleic acid. Oleic acid is C18 with one double bond and double bond is on 9th position. Stearic acid is converted into oleic acid by enzymes which introduce double bonds at 9th position. The enzyme's name delta 9 desaturates. The delta 9 desaturates enzyme which causes the unsaturation at 9th position. In this way, stearic acid is converted into oleic acid and it is first unsaturated fatty acid which is biosynthesized in human body. Another essential fatty acid is linoleic acid. In that, total number of carbon atoms 18 and 2 double bonds. First double bond is on 9th carbon and second is on 12th position. The difference between oleic acid and linoleic acid is one that in oleic acid the one double bond is present and linoleic acid 2 double bonds is present. Oleic acid is not converted to linoleic acid. That means in order to convert oleic acid to linoleic acid, we can require an enzyme which introduces a double bond at 12th position, but in mammalian there is no such enzymes that is delta 12 desaturase enzymes. Therefore, linoleic acid cannot be biosynthesized from oleic acid. And arachidonic acid, timnodinic acid and cervonic acid, these are example of essential fatty acid. Then next one is nutritionally non-essential fatty acid. Nutritionally non-essential fatty acids means which are biosynthesized in human body. The example of such fatty acids are palmitic acid, stearic acid, oleic acid. Whenever our body wants to synthesize stearic acid, it is easily synthesized by de novo synthesis of fatty acid pathway. Next classification is based on geometric isomerism of unsaturated fatty acid. In that, cis fatty acid and trans fatty acid. The word cis indicate the two double bonds. The word cis relating to the molecular structure in which two particular atoms or groups lie on same side of given plane in a molecule. Cis fatty acid, the groups around double bond of unsaturated fatty acids are on same side. Example of cis fatty acid, oleic acid, and its trans form elydic acid. In elydic acid, the groups around the double bonds of unsaturated fatty acids are on opposite side. Then types of fatty acid based on hydrocarbon chain length. In that, short chain fatty acid, medium chain fatty acid, long chain fatty acid and very long chain fatty acid. In short chain fatty acid, the fatty acid from carbon 2 to carbon 6. Examples of such fatty acids are acetic acid, propionic acid, butyric acid, valeric acid and caproic acid. Next, medium chain fatty acid, carbon from carbon 8 to carbon 14. Examples are caprylic acid, capric acid, lauric acid and myristic acid. Next, examples of long chain fatty acid. In long chain fatty acids, carbon from 16 to 20. Examples are palmitic acid, palmitolic acid, stearic acid, oleic acid, linoleic acid, linolenic acid, archidic acid, arachidonic acid and timnodic acid. These all are all examples of long chain fatty acid. Next, very long chain fatty acid, carbon 22 onwards. Example of this fatty acid, behenic acid, erucic acid, docosapenta, enoic acid, DPA, in that carbon 22. Next is the fatty acids based on chemical nature and structure. Aliphatic fatty acid. In that straight hydrocarbon chain, the examples are palmitic acid and stearic acid. Fatty acid is carboxylic acid with long aliphatic chain which is either saturated or unsaturated. Next is branch chain fatty acid. In branch chain fatty acid, two examples, isovaleric acid and phytanic acid. In phytanic acid, it contains branches mostly of methyl group. Why phytanic acid is important? Is mainly found in dairy product, especially butter. Just remember, Refsum's disease causes due to the catabolism of phytanic acid. So, phytanic acid accumulates in plasma and tissue. Next is isovaleric acid. In that, carbon 5 isovaleric acid is known as isovalerate or delphinic acid, belongs to the class of organic compounds known as methyl branch chain fatty acid. Next classification, cyclic fatty acid. Examples are chalmugric oil. The chalmugric oil is obtained from the plant Hydrocarpic crucial and it contains chalmugric acid and hydrocarpic acid. Next classification is hydroxy fatty acid. It contains hydroxyl group. The examples are cerebronic acid and ricinoleic acid and it is rich in castor oil. Cerebronic acid, total number of carbon atoms 24 and the hydroxyl group is present on second position. Remaining points will covered in next lecture. Thank you.